In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move text boxes on a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro. If you've been looking to manage your PDF documents more efficiently, this tutorial will guide you step by step through the process of relocating text boxes to enhance the layout and presentation of your document. So, let's dive in. First, you'll want to open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This robust software is equipped with various tools to help you edit PDF content seamlessly. Once your PDF is open, we'll navigate to the Tools section. Here, you'll need to select the Edit PDF option. Alternatively, you can also find an Edit option in the toolbar itself. Clicking on this will take you to the editing interface. Now that you're in the Edit PDF pane, direct your attention to the text on your document. Hover over the text section you wish to move, and you'll notice an intuitive change. When you select a text box, a bounding box, complete with handles, will appear around the text. These handles are small circles or squares located at the edges of the bounding box, which allow you to resize the text if necessary. However, today, we'll focus on moving the text box rather than resizing it. To move the text box, position your cursor over the edge of the bounding box. It's important not to hover over the handles as that will activate the resizing feature instead. Once your cursor is over the border of the box, not the handles, you'll see it change to a Move pointer. This special pointer indicates that you can now click and drag the entire box. This is the moment where you can move the text box to your desired location on the page. Simply click, hold, and carefully drag the box to a new spot. You may want to adjust it slightly until it appears neatly aligned or in a specific position that suits your document's layout. After you've successfully moved the text box to its new location, it's time to confirm the change. To do this, click outside the text box anywhere on the document. This action will apply your repositioning and lock it in place. And there you have it, a straightforward way to move text boxes in Adobe Acrobat Pro to better organize your PDFs. Remember, the key is to click on the border to activate the Move feature, ensuring you're not on one of the handles, which is a common mistake people make. With practice, you'll find this process quick and efficient, allowing you to manage PDF documents like a pro. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this demonstration has been helpful. Be sure to explore other editing features Adobe Acrobat Pro offers to further enhance your PDF manipulation skills.